Morning, guys. I'm at my house. It's pretty early. You probably haven't gotten on the bus yet. But I wanted to give you some quick directions on what's going to happen today. Today, you're writing that essay for Dr. Lester, who works at the school board office. Remember I said that every fifth grader was going to give her a writing sample? That's what we're working on today. So here's what you're going to get. You will be given a piece of paper that looks like this. And basically, inside this bold box is what you're going to write about. Specifically, the underlined part. That's your topic. Write an essay that shares your opinion of how you think animals could be useful in a community, a school, or a place of work. Be sure to state your opinion and support it using information presented in both passages. Basically, that means you have to use some of the words from these two stories in your essay to support your opinion. There is one story called Animal Helpers, and there's one story called Military and Police Force Animals, so at least this should be really interesting to read. And after you read both stories, read the directions again, and then we're going to work on our planning sheet, just like we've done before. You need a hook, you need a topic sentence, and you need 3 reasons why your topic sentence is correct. Remember that all of these stars are what is included in your introductory paragraph. Each reason you come up with has to have at least 2 examples. The very last paragraph is going to be a conclusion. Remember, the conclusion is everything that was in the introduction except the hook. You're also going to be given this writing page. This is for your name. Excuse me. That was nice. This is for your name. This says introduction. Notice the star. Reason number 1, a whole paragraph for reason number 1, a whole paragraph for reason number 2, a whole paragraph for reason number 3, and a whole paragraph for your conclusion. You're going to be given as much time as you need to work on this. So if you get a hand cramp, take a break, do small hand stretches, fling them out. If you get stuck, put your head down and think about it for a while. The thinking's the hard part. After you do both of these planning sheets, then you are going to open up a new tab, click the waffle, and click Docs, just like we did the other day. That will open a new document for you. See my choices? Always click blank. And here is your blank document. Now remember, each paragraph has to be indented. So you can do that 2 ways. You can hit the space bar 5 or 6 times, or you can hit the little tab button. It's right here. It says tab. If you hit it, it makes the line kind of jump over a little bit. Hit enter 2 times to get a space between your paragraphs. And remember, watch for the little red squiggly lines and the gray squiggly lines. That's trying to tell you something is spelled wrong. So if you click on it, it should give you a suggestion. Happy writing! I'm really excited to see what you have to say about all these animals. Pretty good topic, don't you think? I'll be checking on you.